Good morning, y'all. It's Saturday morning. I just woke up, did my skincare, and brushed my teeth and all of that jazz. Um, just thought I'd come and start the vlog. I haven't really been in the mood all week, but gotta show up. Gotta get my content in. Before continuing, I did want to show y'all my because I told you I was doing my calorie deficit. I was starting back up my calorie deficit lifestyle. So I wanted to show y'all my beginning weight and then my end of the week weight. Because I weigh myself starting on Monday and then I weigh again on Fridays, but I think I'm gonna start doing a full 7 days. But anyway, I wanted to show y'all week 1 and kind of show y'all like an example of one of the days, one of the what I eat in the days. And yeah, welcome to the vlog. This lip oil that I had got from Marshall's that day in my other vlog, it comes off, like some of them come off really pink. I really like them though, but they come off really pink. So this was Monday. I started at 222, and then on Friday I was at 218. And this was one of my low calorie days. I didn't eat much. I need to start eating more calories a day so that I could be more fulfilled, but I don't know, sometimes I just don't be hungry. So y'all, I'm once again trying to beat the snow. I'm about to go to Party City in Maryland because that's the one my cousin goes to, so duh, why wouldn't I go there? She got some stuff on hold for me because my daughter is having a graduation party this summer. So I'm trying to like stack up on stuff early. I need to go to the store too because like I said, it's supposed to snow and I know that's not no drops. And it's cold as fuck and I'm just trying to get cold as freak and I'm just trying to get back early. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. We made it, and something's starting to come down. I don't know if it's rain or snow, but I need to get back to PA. You don't like everything like it's gonna be snowing. CJ. Huh? You don't want to say hi? No. So I got what I needed, and my cousin didn't want to be on camera. But I got what I needed. I'm about to, I'm getting my son some lo mein from Quick Way real quick. My daughter went in and got it. I'm about to go get, before I head back, I'm going to go get me some halal because that's lower in calories. And I wanted something good to eat tonight. So I'm going to go stop and get that. I really, really, really want to go to my favorite Goodwill. Is in Maryland. I really, really wanted to go there before I go back. But I don't know. Like, I'm not getting caught in no messed up weather, so we'll see. But yeah, it's only 12:43 and my main thing was to stop at Party City, so I'm glad I got that over with. But yeah, I see y'all. I never been to this one, but I swear I hope it's good, like the one that I normally go to. I'm gonna be mad. What you want? Ooh, I'm just taking 1 or 2 little bites and then I'm gonna go ahead.
I don't want to get out. Mommy.
PJ, not yet because I gotta get your stuff. Y'all, we done came to the Goodwill and it's starting to, what is this, sleep or whatever. Oh, Lord, let me hurry up and get in here and get back.
I got the clothes from.
This is my favorite one.
I love this one too. CJ.
Bath mats.
I really like that shirt.
You like that, CJ?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Like me.
Yep.
That's so good. Yeah.
Let me see.
Oh. Like it?
Yes. Come on.
Me.
Y'all, did y'all see that TikTok where that girl had found essentials engaged? This one is not real, but it was a girl on TikTok that actually found some real essentials. I'm gonna see if they got it.
I have actually. I've been doing that little thing we got. It's like a full body workout.
Oh no.
See, why do people drive that fast? It's literally never that serious. You see?
I heard the promise till death do us part. Each word was a pain. I would rather go blind, boy. Oh no.
Why is he flying like that? And he got Virginia tags. You gotta stay away from him with them Virginia tags. Finally in the house. Just in time because it started that icy rain stuff. So we got back just in time. I just wanted to show y'all, well, CJ want to show y'all his egg. Tell him what color it is.
Orange.
Good job. Finally in, like I said, made it in just in time. I wanted to show y'all what I got real quick. So remember, I went and stopped at my cousin's store to get just a few decorations. A bunch of tablecloths, round and rectangular. This graduating, this photo garland that says congrats, and you can put different photos on it. It's like some hanging tassels. I don't quite know where we're going with the decorating, and the, you know, I know I wanted black, silver. She said she added that gold. This is a banner. Congrats banner. And then there's another one. So that's all that I had got from there. They didn't really have a lot, so I just picked out. I just picked out what the stuff she showed me. I just picked out what I seen in the video and picked it on up. So and as y'all can see, I did go to Gabe's and I got me some socks. $5.99. I only wear black socks. Only wear black socks. I got this from I got this for the sink. $7.99. Got this little mug I thought was cute. $2.99. Thing I'm gonna do is bargain shop. I got this gummy bear lip sleeping mask I want to try. I got my son some briefs. And this lip mask is $4.99. I got some underwear. 5-pack for $6.99. And nails. That was it from Gabe's, and I got one of that big old bags for like 99 cents. I had stopped at Sally's and got this. If you use this, because I'm tired of my nails popping off, if you use this, because I keep saying this is the I keep saying that this is the most popular and most effective nail glue, so let me know if you use that. I went to Walmart. CJ showing y'all something else he got. Alright, thank you. I got my son these pajamas. They were $2. My daughter some face wash. And my son got a card for the millionth time. I ended up getting one of these, the bath mat set. I ended up getting one of these because this is originally $26 in Walmart, and I got it for $12.99 at Goodwill. My daughter got 2 shirts from there, and I feel like I got something else, but I can't remember. I left the bag in the car. But, so yeah, that's what I got today. And I'm making sure I keep all my receipts because I don't know if y'all have the Fetch app, but I'm going to give y'all my code across the screen. When you scan every every receipt, the more receipts you scan, the more points you get, and you can use it towards stuff. You can end up getting free gift cards to Ulta, Starbucks, Amazon. So yeah, I done been scanning. I shout out to the YouTuber that I shout out to India. I watch her faithfully on YouTube. I used her code, and I'm almost up to like 6,000 points. I know I'm gonna probably get there with these over 6,000 points. And when you play certain games and stuff, you don't have to play the games. You could just scan your receipts. But I think it's fine. It's a cool thing. No way to get free stuff or little gift cards and stuff. So yeah. I'll talk to y'all. Oh yeah, and I also went to Walmart and I got a couple of things because I'm making curry chicken tomorrow. So yeah, another long day of buying stuff.
I've been watching you.
West Coast, West Coast,
Boy, I've been watching you.
West Coast, West Coast,
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
West Coast, West Coast,
Boy, I've been watching you.
West Coast, West Coast.
Boy, I've been watching you.
Good morning, y'all. Sitting at my desk eating my breakfast. Get my little breakfast in. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday. Today I'm gonna try and film like a content video to post later this week, like a Sunday reset or something. But yeah, not too much going on. Like I said, it's Sunday. You already know on Sundays you chill. I'm a prep dinner. Already done been to the store this morning. It was so cold. It's so windy. So yeah, I think I want to have me like a movie day. Watch me some good movies. I need to wash clothes. Just, you know, domestic stuff. So yeah, but I just wanted to come and say hi to y'all and happy Sunday. My start of a new week. So yeah.
I've been watching you. If I let you know, you can tell nobody. I'll tell my nobody.
And here's the finished product. It was so delicious. I wish I had some rice and peas with it, but I had to settle for regular rice because the last time I tried to make rice and peas, it did not go well. Good morning, y'all. I just got clocked in for work, but I wanted to come and end the vlog. I didn't end it last night. After cooking and all that, I was so exhausted. So I just wanted to come before I start work and let y'all know that I appreciate you if you tuned in. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you're not already, subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. But yeah, I just wanted to come and end the vlog. Today is Monday, so happy Monday, and I wish you a prosperous and productive week. Bye.